Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated returns in the automotive world, the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. That's right, the iconic classic has been reborn, and Volkswagen has given it a modern makeover that blends retro charm with futuristic flair. So buckle up, because this isn't just a car, it's a statement on wheels. Let's get into it. Now, if you're old enough to remember the original Karmann Ghia, you probably picture a sleek, low-slung coupe from the 50s through the 70s. It was graceful, understated, and oozed style. The 2025 model honors that legacy while bringing everything up to modern standards. The silhouette is instantly recognizable. Low roofline, pronounced curves, and that long front end. But now it's got sharper creases, sleeker LED lighting, and a wider stance that makes it look aggressive and elegant at the same time. It's not just a revival, it's a reinvention. Up front, Volkswagen ditched the traditional grille design and went with a minimalist EV-inspired face. A slim, illuminated VW badge sits between two LED matrix headlights that blend seamlessly into the bodywork. The bumper features active aero vents, which open and close depending on speed, improving both performance and efficiency. The hood has sculpted lines that give the front end a bold, muscular presence without overwhelming the vintage cues. Moving to the side, the proportions are just perfect. You've got flush door handles, frameless windows, and smooth body panels that reflect light like liquid metal. The roofline tapers back into a fastback-style rear that screams classic sports car, but with 21st century execution. The coupe comes standard with 19-inch alloy wheels, but the GT trim bumps that up to 21-inch turbine-style rims wrapped in performance rubber. The stance is low and wide, giving it a planted look even when it's standing still. At the rear, the LED light bar spans the width of the car, incorporating subtle hints of the original Ghia's rounded taillights. A retractable spoiler deploys at higher speeds, and there's a dual exhaust setup cleverly integrated into the lower bumper, though that's more for visual symmetry, as this car comes in both electric and hybrid variants. Yes, you heard that right. Volkswagen is offering the Karmann Ghia as a plug-in hybrid and a full EV. But before we talk about what's under the hood, or in this case, under the floor, let's check out the interior, because this is where things get surprisingly upscale. Opening the door, you're greeted by soft close mechanisms, ambient lighting that adjusts based on time of day, and an interior layout that feels both retro and futuristic. The dashboard is a work of art. A floating digital cluster sits behind a two-spoke, flat-tethered steering wheel, while a 15-inch curved OLED infotainment screen takes center stage. Volkswagen has gone heavy on sustainable materials here. The seats are wrapped in vegan leather with diamond stitching that pays homage to vintage designs. The door panels and dashboard are lined with recycled suede and brushed aluminum. Even the floor mats are made from ocean-sourced plastics. Despite its sporty looks, the Ghia is comfortable. Heated and ventilated seats, dual-zone climate control, a panoramic glass roof, and a premium Harman Kardon sound system are all standard on the higher trims. The storage space is actually pretty decent for a coupe. There's a frunk for your smaller items, while the rear hatch opens up to reveal a surprisingly deep trunk. The back seats are more for kids or bags, but they fold flat if you need extra cargo room. Now let's talk performance. The base model comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder, paired with an electric motor giving it a combined output of 300 horsepower. It's quick 0 to 60 in just under 5.5 seconds. The plug-in hybrid variant offers about 50 miles of electric-only range before switching over to hybrid mode, making it perfect for daily commuting and occasional road trips. But the real game changer is the all-electric Ghia R. This one's got dual motors, one on each axle, producing a total of 420 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. It launches from 0 to 60 in 3.9 seconds and has an estimated range of 320 miles on a full charge. Thanks to its low center of gravity, adaptive suspension, and precise steering, the Ghia R handles like a dream. You can take it from city streets to twisting back roads, and it never feels out of place. Charging is quick too. Using a DC fast charger, you can get from 10 to 80% in just 25 minutes. Volkswagen's smart regenerative braking system even adjusts based on traffic and road conditions, so you're always maximizing efficiency without sacrificing the fun. Now, I know what you're thinking. How much is this beauty gonna set me back? Well, the 2025 Karmann Ghia starts at around $39,000 for the base hybrid model. The mid-range plug-in hybrid comes in at just under $45,000, while the top-tier electric Ghia R will run you closer to $57,000. For the ones who still believe in burning rubber and banging gears, carbon fiber trim for this and if you enjoyed the review, package for hit that like model. Subscribe for more deep dive car content. Considering the blend of style, heritage, technology, and performance, the pricing actually feels pretty competitive, especially when you compare it to rivals like the BMW i4 or the Audi A5 e-tron. Plus, Volkswagen is offering a 10-year battery warranty on all electric models, and they're throwing in 3 years of free charging at Electrify America stations for early adopters. So, final thoughts? The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia isn't just a car. It's a love letter to the past, rewritten for the future. Whether you're a nostalgic enthusiast or someone looking for a sleek, sustainable ride with personality, this might just be your perfect match. That's it for today's deep dive. Let me know in the comments what you think about the new Karmann Ghia. Would you go hybrid or full electric? And if you had to pick a color, are you going classic red or modern graphite? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss the next review. Catch you in the next one.